Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to download the Viber app on your computer online. And now let's start right in. Now to download the Viber app online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in viber.com like this and enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Viber, where you can see the download option available over here where I'm holding my mouse. Click on that download option and you'll be on this page where you'll be able to download the Viber app for your desktop. Click on download for Windows and you can see the Viber setup is currently installing or being downloaded on our computer, and it's waiting for it to be downloaded. And guys, it has been downloaded. Either you can show in folder and continue your installation from the download folder, or you can just simply click or tap the Control and J button on your keyboard and you'll be able to see these downloads on your Google Chrome. And click on Viber setup like this over here, and the Viber setup will open like this. You'll be able to install the Viber app on your computer, and let's go install it and let's go with the further process. And there guys, our Viber has been installed on our computer. Let's minimize this, and you can see Viber is over here. Let's click on no thanks, and the guys, the Viber has been downloaded and installed on our computer. Now to be able to log into your Viber account over here, scan this QR code over here, or if your camera does not work, click on camera doesn't work, and you will be able to get this key. And if you will be first required to send this link to yourself on your mobile device, and after you click on this key, the Viber your Viber account will be available on your computer. And there guys, this is how you download your Viber account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.